In this lecture, we will learn what programming is. Programming is writing instructions that the computer will follow to process data into information. There are several programming languages that we can use in order to write these instructions for the computer. Each programming language has its own syntax or rules of the language that the programmer must follow as they code the program. When programming, errors will come up in the program. The process of finding and fixing errors in your code is known as debugging. Programming allows developers to solve problems and empowers them to create software. It lets us make hardware talk to software, get user input, solve problems, and provide services. Here are some basic terms associated with programming. Documentation is the reference manual for the language. It allows us to see all of the things that the programming language gives us built-in access to. Pseudocode is programming logic written out in plain English. It allows us to plan out our code before we write it. Libraries are groups of code available to import into your own code. Code readability is a term that refers to how easy the code is to read. Version control is software that makes it easier to save changes and collaborate with other developers. In the next lecture, we will learn about the 5 generations of programming languages.